Hello, Cricketers, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. You see my box right here, but I'm missing my friends. Cuties, where are you? Cuties! Oh, there you are! Hey, guys! Let's see what's going on in this box. I'm so happy to see you. Where have you been? I was looking for you. I spent all that time looking for you. We might have a friend in the box. Hopefully there's a friend in the box, because I remember what happened that time. There was no friend in the box. There was no friend in the box, and y'all got so sad about it. Oh my goodness. I did not like seeing you that sad. Hopefully that never happens again. Hopefully that never happens again. Ooh, look, you guys. Look. You excited? Okay, let's see. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, we have more infusible ink pens. I think I have lots and lots of these infusible ink pens. I think I have enough of these to last me for a while. They have the 1-point tip. There are 5 pens in here. This one is pink, green, purple, brown, and black. I made a shirt out of these. I think I still have it. It is right here. I made this shirt using infusible ink pens a while ago at Easter time. So that is one thing, one project idea for you to use with your infusible ink pens. Okay, let's see. This is Cricut foil transfer sheets. Okay, there are 24 sheets and each sheet is 4x6, and there are 3 colors in here. It's called a jewel sampler. I have not perfected this craft yet, but I'm going to keep trying. Look, you guys, that means you have a friend in the box. We're going to open that last. This is permanent vinyl. If you are noticing, I have all of my rolled vinyl over here in this vinyl over the door vinyl. I forgot what it's called. Over the door vinyl hanger. And so all of my heat transfer vinyl is on this side, and all of my adhesive vinyl is on this side. So if you're wondering, how does she store her vinyl? This is one of the ways I store my vinyl. And so this would go on the right side of my hanger. This is Cricut infusible ink, and this is the leopard pattern. I have made earrings out of this. I've made mugs out of infusible ink. I've made shirts out of infusible ink. I've done so many things. Infusible ink is a game changer. It works a lot like sublimation. I love infusible ink. I have this pattern, but I do not have, this one is called Jungle Safari. It's pretty. This one has 4 sheets. This one only has 2 sheets. So the number on the front of the box lets you know how many sheets are in each box. So this one has 4, this one has 2. This one is True Blue, and it also has 2 sheets of infusible ink inside. This is Cricut transfer tape. It is 48 inches long. Okay, so 48 inches is the same thing as 4 feet. This is 6 sheets of 12x12 premium removable vinyl, and it is patterned vinyl. So you can see the patterns here. I think I need to open this one though. Oh, look at this. This is very nice. There are 6 sheets in here. So there's 1 sheet, let's see, 2 of each pattern. So 2 like this, 2 of this pattern right here, and 2 of this pattern right here. Okay, those are very nice. Very, very pretty. I'm excited about that. But wait, there's more. Okay, there is a package of Zootopia Deluxe paper. There are 12 sheets in here, and it is patterned heavyweight paper. And let's see what the patterns look like. Let's see. I am not sure what I'm going to use this for. I do not have a project idea, but if you have a project idea for me, please leave a comment below and let me know some ideas on what I can use this paper for, because I don't have any ideas for this just yet. I don't have any toddlers in my house. All of my children are in their teens. Oh, this is so cute. It's patterned front and back. That is so cute. Maybe for scrapbooking. I used to do a lot of scrapbooking. That is so pretty. It has donuts on the front and then sprinkles on the back. So cute. What is this? This one says "It wasn't me" on the front. And then it has like, looks like popsicles. I'm not sure if they are popsicles, but it's so cute. And then there are 2 sheets of this one. It just says honk, beep, like just sounds. And 2 sheets of this. So super cute. Yes, this is definitely a scrapbooking, something you can use for scrapbooking. This one says "Protect the Hero" on the front, and then it has some shields on the back. So very cute. All right, before I open this box and see what our friend is, let me answer the question that I get asked every single time I open a mystery box. This is a Cricut mystery box. They can only be purchased from Cricut.com. I will make sure to leave a link below. They can only be purchased by Cricut Access members. There are some boxes that are member exclusives. So if it's a member exclusive, that means it's probably going to come with a cutie, and you probably have to be a Cricut Access member. I will leave a link below this video for you to check out Cricut Access membership. I am a Cricut Access member and I do not regret it. It is right now $9.99 per month, and it comes with access to a lot of different files. So I am very pleased with Cricut Access right now. The next question I get asked is, how do you get a mystery box? My best piece of advice is to stay tuned. As soon as they are released, I always post them on my community tab on my YouTube channel. I post them in my Facebook group, and I also post them on my Instagram page. So I post them in 3 different places, and so hopefully you are following me in one of those places, and you will stay tuned and be alerted to those. All right, I think we are ready to meet our new friend. Are we ready to meet our friend? Are we ready? Let me put this knife away. This would be scary. This would be super scary. Let's put the knife away. Okay, let's see. Y'all ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. You better be looking cute. Look at you. Look. Y'all say hi to your friend. Let me put him on top of this box so y'all can see him. This is the people in the back so y'all can see him really good. Look. Say hi to your friend. Okay. I hope y'all heard him because he said hi. If you found this little unboxing helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.